Hi there guys, so we will now go to create the biography of our users. So if there is any bio written there in the server, so we want to hide this button and we want to show there some label. Okay, let's go and do this. So first of all, where we need to go is to the database, because as per the logic we will write, if biography does not exist, then show the button. If the biography is assigned or written in the server, so then show the biography. Okay, so we're going to the PHP My Admin panel, then the table users, and we're going to the structure, and we will add one more column here after Ava. Okay, so we will write here a bio bacha, which can store, let's say, 1000 or 200 or 100 characters only, so it will be something like um, short text. Or what I think will be better, we'll write in the database 1000, then we'll control it from the front end that no more than 100 characters or 150 is allowed. Okay, and we will save it. Very good. So if we go to the users, we got now one more column, which is a bio and which is an empty. Okay, what we need to do is we now need to a little bit make minor changes in our database, and especially in the two classes. So we will go to our NetBeans development environment. This is our project. And first of all, when we go to login, here this is our login. So we want, whenever we log in, we want to show all the columns. We want to return the information which is stored in all the columns. So we got first the ID. Yes, it's here. I'll put it in the first place. Then we've got the email. It's here. Then we got the first name. It's here as well. Then last name. Last name is here. Password and salt we are skipping. Then we got the birthday. Then we have got the gender. And then we have cover, ava, and bio, which we need to update. So I'll simply write here return square brackets and single quotation marks cover will be equals to user, in the square brackets and quotation marks we write cover semicolon. Then we got ava return square brackets and single quotation marks ava equals to user square brackets quotation marks ava. And then with the last one which we've got, it's a biography. We write here return square brackets quotation marks, we write bio equals to user square brackets and quotation marks biography. So this is how we are returning all user related information. Why we need this? Because whenever, let's say, some user will install our application Facebook, and it will log in, we want to show here the biography, the cover, and other images, so our application can show it in our app. Okay, very good. So then we are moving to the register.php. What we can do is we can simply copy these values, and we're coming back to our register, and we can post it. Just be careful that you will post it in the proper way. I myself, I would advise you rather to just type it from your hand, because whenever you copy paste, most of the cases the students are doing mistake. Okay, so we will first focus on the ID, as the ID is the first value which is coming. So we'll go step by step. ID I'll put here. Then we got the email first name last name, email first name last name. Then we have got the birthday, then gender. Birthday and gender is here. Then we have a cover, ava, and bio. So we have cover. Then we got ava and the bio. And then we are casting this. And one more update which we can make in order to make our code less, we can just simply cut these values, and we can paste them here. like this. Like this, so we have a less written code here. That one I will delete as well, so we're not returning it, we just let it go further. And here we'll just disconnect it and throw the information to the user. If you will now check the registration function, it will work fine. Okay, so then we are going to one more class where we return the information to the user. It is upload image. So here, whenever the image uploaded successfully, we need to here return the information. So here we have an ID, we have email, first name, last name, birthday, gender, then we got cover, ava, and we need to return buyer. So here we write return square brackets and single quotation marks buyer equals to user square brackets single quotation marks buyer. Okay, very good. And save it. Make sure that this is how your code looks like. Even this function, we can write it here like this. Okay, so once we save this, we can go to our application and we can run it. What I will do, I will delete our app so we got a chance to we got a chance to log in and to register again. So we will be uh, saving the buyer in our application's global variable as well. I think this was the password. 123456. Here we go. And here we go. So we got buyer, which is empty as well. Very good. And let's now try. So login works fine. We'll try now to register the new user. Okay, we're registering a new user. The email address joseph@mail.com. Joseph James 123456. The birthday, just any birthday you want. And let's make it male. Here we go. We registered successfully. And we have a buyer, ava, and cover which are empty. Excellent, because Joseph did not design it yet. And the full name is showing. Okay, the photo library. We will select a certain photo to be our profile picture. Let's say that one. And I will select the cover picture. There we go. And oops, I think there is some error. We'll delete this. And we'll select a new one again. Okay, very good. So what we will try to do is we will just simply delete our app and we will log in to this user. Meantime, I'll refresh my database, and here I have the new user. This is the cover and ava, and the bio is empty because we didn't assign it yet. Okay, so joseph@mail.com 123456. Login, here we go, and all the images are downloaded. Very good. So this is the result which we wanted to be achieved, guys. So that is really excellent, and that is a really a good achievement, guys. So well done, guys. Congratulations.